In this video, we are going to discuss about 8 steps to getting a VA loans for a multi-family house, your farm. So before starting this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel for more interesting videos. So military services members have a big advantages when it comes to buying multi-family home. So they don't need a down payment if they take out a home, a loan backed up US Department and the Veteran Affairs VA. So however, before you take responsibilities of homeowner and landlord, there is some important requirement you will need to understand to go get VA loans for multi-family homes. So what is multi-family home and why should I buy one? So in most cases, a multi-family home is a single building and house that two or three separate dwelling units for different families. So a property with 2, 3 or 4 units may have been called a duplex or triplex or fourplex. So the VA requires you to live in one of the units while renting out other of the rental incomes. So this gives the opportunity to build home equity to become a real estate investor. This is known as house hacking. The extra income may offset some of the even all of the monthly mortgage payments when even all you to pocket extra cash to cover the housing related expenses. So 3 reasons to buy multi-family home with a VA loan. So there are the 3 major benefits to buying multi-family home VA loans versus other loans programs. So first one is that no down payment is required. So multi-family homes can be purchased without a down payment if you have enough VA entitlement. Compared loans backed and Federal Housing Administration FHA that require at least 3.5% down payment and conventional loan that require 25% down to buy a multi-family homes. So number 2 is no mortgage insurance is required. VA loans don't require mortgage insurance, which is required to help lenders recoup money lost if you default and FHA's conventional mortgage. So the 2 or more eligible veterans can buy on the 7-unit property. The VA and special joint loans option for 2 or more veterans to purchase multi-family home with to the 7 units. Other loans program limit you to 4 unit maximum. So can you buy multi-family home with the VA loans? So you can buy multi-family home with the VA loan if you meet the basic military service requirement for VA mortgages and you are qualified based on the credit scores, income and total debts, and you have enough extra cash to 6 months for mortgage payment and VA multi-family home you are buying. So your plan move on one or month priorities for 16 days to closing and remain there are 12 months. So here are the different steps to buying multi-family home with VA loans. The first one, ensure that you meet a minimum service requirement. So if you are veteran to active duty service member or members to reserve of the National Guard, so you will need to provide proof that you are qualified for VA granted home loan. Most services members verify their eligibility by applying for a certificate of eligibility online by mail through their lender and surviving and the eligibility spouse and may be qualified. So the second one is check the multi-family loans limit in your area. Even through the VA does not limit the size of the multi-family loan, so you get lender of set their requirements based on local confirming loan limit. In most part of the country currently multi-family limits are allows $8,28,800 to of 2-unit families and 1 lakh for the 3-unit family, 12 lakh for the unit family. So these are all covered by the one to the multi-family units.